To a murder mistrial in Virginia Beach. A judge made that ruling in the case against Darius White this afternoon. He's the man accused of killing a woman during a robbery in 2021. This happened at the Harris Teeter gas station in the Haygood Shopping Center. Emily Harrison explains what happened in court today.
A murder trial against 24-year-old Darius White came to an abrupt end after one witness took the stand. A detective in this investigation told jurors that the defendant is a convicted felon. Virginia Beach Circuit Court Judge James Lewis immediately sent jurors out of the courtroom as White's attorney motioned for a mistrial. Up until that point, the 14 jurors had no idea about White's past history with law enforcement. Prosecutors had only told jurors about the facts of the case and why they believed the defendant killed 65-year-old Annie Smith as she and her husband filled up their tank at a Harris Teeter gas station in Virginia Beach. White's attorney said because the witness told the jury White is a felon, it would impact the jury's verdict, and the judge agreed. Judge Lewis brought everyone back inside the courtroom 10 minutes later and declared a mistrial. In a statement to 13 News Now, Virginia Beach's Commonwealth attorney explains, quote, "Case law has established that any mention of or implication that a defendant has a felony conviction is considered prejudicial." Before this outburst, Judge Lewis had ruled there would be an entirely separate trial to be held for White for the single charge of possession of a firearm by a violent felon. The judge ruled that since the jury now knew about White's history, the trial could not go on. Now the judge and attorneys must reschedule the trial, arrange witnesses, and prepare testimonies all over again at an unspecified date. In Virginia Beach, I'm Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
And the defendant's brother, Michael White, is also expected to stand trial this June.